tutorial and music for section 5 of Valhalla for the Dark Fairies. I'm going to do it in a straight line because that'll help you see it from your perspective, but this is done in a circle. So we're here, set up like this. Okay? First thing we do is PK. This is outside the circle, so we look over there. Then we look inside the circle. Step forward again. Wrist cross. V. Step. Attitude. Spin all the way around. Back to where you came from. And one more half turn. So that's 1.5 turns. Then extend like this. Enclenché as you drop the left elbow. Coupe, coupe. Sorry, that's going this way. Then it would be change weight. Okay, so taille. Swivel fully. This arm's coming up. Take the right arm down by your side. And then arrive in crossed wrists like that. Then you're going to go up again and up again. Step, fouette all the way around, then swing the leg, and this pose. Okay, I'll show you here. But you'd be doing it with your back to the inside of the circle, so like that. Then you're going to close the foot, Hadasha. You're going to fouette to this lifted pirate pose. And then you're going to go, let me get closer to you. You're going to rise through the releve and change the foot. So you're going like that. Okay, one more time. Releve, enclenché. And then the arms are going to come like this. Twist. And then starting for your whistle section. So again, here. Like that. It's a little complex, but you got this.